E85 station is 10 miles away, and we have 18 miles left. Oh my God, bro, I hope I make it. This is not good. Oh, I hope I make it. Wow, I made it, bro. Don't ask me how, because I really don't know how, but we made it. First kicks? Bro, I don't know how we made it, guys. That shit was on fumes. I was scared. I really didn't think I was gonna make it. That was probably the most I've ever like pushed the car on empty. 52 bucks, 17 gallons, dude. Anyways, guys, we just met up with the homie Kicks, and now we're heading to this little car meet today. Alex Choi is throwing this huge car meet this morning. I'm sure you guys heard of Alex Choi. He's revealing his Huracan V3 or whatever. I don't even know what version it is at this point. But it's supposed to be really crazy, so I'm pretty excited to see it. Oh, shit. The baby GTR. Tell me those don't look like little GTRs, guys. The trunk, oh my God! The trunk and the taillights kind of look like GTR taillights. He's probably like, fresh kicks! Bro, this thing is so loud. Oh my God. Shit is so loud. It sounds like gunshots, bro. Oh my God, bro, that thing's flying low. Well, we made it, guys. There's already a bunch of supercars. Damn, bro. That shit is perfect, huh? That car is so crazy, dude. Literally my dream car right there. We just made it. Me and the homie Kicks parked right here. That's actually the homie. He's actually selling it, bro. I wanted to buy it. I wanted to buy it before I bought my GTR. I was tempted. Bro, that's my favorite Ferrari right there. They sound so sick. Huracan. Sheesh. That thing is hard, bro.
And that's a Spider.
BBS's?
Oh, it looks so sick when the top is off.
That shit looks sick. This one's so sick, bro. The color, dude. The matching calipers too. What? He said he's selling it tomorrow. And the new M3. I really want one now, guys.
You need that for a daily.
They're sick, bro. Damn, guys, look at this color. Is it red? It's paint? No way, bro. How much do you guys think that costs to paint this car? God damn, that color shift is crazy.
That looks like paint, yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely paint, bro. So guys, it's a breast cancer awareness meet, so there's gonna be a lot of pink cars. Oh my God, is music loud, but look how many pink cars there are. Yeah, guys, there's a bunch of pink cars everywhere, which is pretty cool. Damn, guys, there's a bunch of sick. Oh, this is it? Yeah. This is the new one? Guys, this is the same color as my GTR, but I guess they redid the color. And now it's way better, like a way better red.
Way more red.
It does look different, bro. It does look better, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like my red looks faded compared to this, bro. So yeah, I guess they redid the red that I did, which is pretty sick. That's my car. Yeah? Big baller. Going up in the Centenario, casually. That's insane, bro. Just shut down the whole car meet. Oh, these are all the new colors, huh? These are all. This color's pretty sick. A little orange. These are all the new Nosatech colors, guys. Orange on orange interior. It's pretty crazy. This M2's clean. Damn, that shit looks nice. I think it used to be yellow at one point, but now it's like a chalk gray. And this one's crazy, bro. Oh my God, dude. Yeah, that's insane. That's like the perfect spec right here. Carbon roof, carbon hood. That red is so sick, bro. That car's so clean, dude. It's perfect wheel setup with like this color. Here's that crazy ass car from the last vlog. I was making that crazy revving noise. This thing sounds insane, bro. This is Alex Choi's new Lambo. Supposedly, the hood charges phones, and people are actually setting their phones on there. That's so weird. This thing does look crazy. I guess it's like the GT3 kit. It looks pretty sick. So funny. I guess the hood actually does charge, so everybody's trying to place their phone there. I don't know how they even came up with the idea, but yeah, put your phone on the hood and it literally charges it. The music's so loud, but look, we got the Centenario, and then we have a Diablo. Clean. That blue is so nice. The Performante. Another Performante. That one's clean. That color is insane. Another Performante. Lambos everywhere, bro. Look at all these GTRs, guys. There's so many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then R32. That shit's clean, dude. E46. That shit's clean too. Sheesh. I feel like I've seen this guy on the freeway a long time ago, or a while back. Damn. I want an R32. He almost hit the freaking curb.
Best mod? Tony, dog.
I didn't even notice that this is the new M4. It's probably like the first like modified M4 I've seen. It has like the wing, and it's wrapped pretty crazy. That thing's nice. It's sick though. Everyone's doing like the pink for the breast cancer awareness. That shit looks sick.
You want a shirt? Did you get one?
I didn't.
What size?
I'm down. Uh-oh. That's not good. I wonder what happened, bro. Guys, I don't know what vlog this is going in, but we just finished up wrapping Sammy's Lambo. I don't know if you guys have seen, but I've been posting a lot of wrap stuff on my Instagram. A lot of big things coming soon. But yeah, we just ended up wrapping this Lambo, which is pretty sick. It came out super nice. I'll show you guys right now once we start driving. But yeah, we wrapped it. We did color match calipers and a lip on it. Oh my God, bro. How are they doing that? By 412 as well, but that shit is crazy. Shooting so much planes. But yeah, guys, we did like a Nozatec sand color and color match brakes. This shit is insane, bro. Oh my God, bro. Look at the flames! Bro, he's insane. So yeah, guys, this freaking Lambo came out insane. That color, it's like a sand color from a Nozatec, and then we color matched the calipers, which just looks crazy. And then obviously that tune and freaking exhaust setup is crazy too.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit. Well, y'all catching feelings, I'm catching flights. Blowing flight on that overnight. Sleepless nights trying to cope with life, cause I can't understand it. No, I can't understand it, but why comprehend it? I'd rather just live it and see where it take me. Toughen me up, but y'all niggas can't break me. Got the clip off safety, and that's just for my safety.